I'm Shan, Ulledahl Makeup Supervisor and Hair Supervisor. We're going to do one side of the face, a zombie, one that has been dead for just a little while. The other side, we're going to do a nice deep gash. I'll be using a couple of different bottles. They just have different brushes. Here we go. This is going to feel nice and kind of chilly and gooey and all that kind of fun stuff. Right on top. Latex now on top. Figure out where a claw might go. These are going to be scratches. We're going to set him up for just a second. We're going to use the airbrush for all of our coloring. Okay, we're going to go in with just a little bit of gray, and then we'll start going in with just a little bit of black. And this is the blood red. We go in with the misty purple, which is the color that we just love. This is called thick blood, and or you know what it's called, scab. It's gooey. This is coagulated blood. Okay, so Zombie's going to go on out and play. Now we've got a victim over here who's been gashed, so you can start seeing exactly where you laid them in at. And a little bit of dead flesh, even though she's not dead. We'll go back in with our scab. With the fun part. So we're using the sticky blood again, the stage blood. I love blood and gore. I love to create depth